Hello, hello. Welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to do a bright pink set of nails and with a purple design, kind of, I guess you'd say. I primarily am doing this because I did this set on a client yesterday and I love the color combo that she came up with, and this is more of a reference for me to be able to go back and see what I did because the colors are so pretty. And if somebody says, hey, can I have that? And I'm weeks down the road going, I don't remember what it was that I used, I'll have this. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'll leave everything in the description link wise. So if there's something that you like, you will hopefully be able to find it if it's in stock. And yeah, so I'm going to get started, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. All right, so I'm going to be using full coverage tips. These are not prepped. They're not going on anybody other than my practice hand, Jessica. So this is just something, like I said, just kind of a reference. So if I get asked to do it again, I'll know what to do. So this is a bright white. This is from Nail Couture. This is 001. It's a very opaque white, and it works really well. So I'm going to try and do this with one coat of the white, and then you'll have to see the pink. So the pink and the purple are from Born Pretty, and I ordered those off of their website. They have a ton of jelly colors, and they are so, so pretty. Okay. Trying to make sure everything's covered. I don't want it thick, but like I said, everything covered. I kind of, I've thought about doing not necessarily clients and videotaping, just because it takes a little while and my phone does not always have the space. But I'm thinking maybe I can start using the ideas that my clients give me when I do their nails and turn those into videos. Maybe. It's just a thought. I don't know. Honestly, I kind of have times where I can't come up with anything to do for a video. It's like those creative juices just aren't juicing. All right, so I'm going to try and do these the exact same way that I did hers yesterday. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw these in the lamp, and I'm going to cure these for a full 60 seconds, and then we'll come back and use those jellies. Okay. Alright, so these are cured. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use, this is Born Pretty's JN38. This is such a pretty pink, even on its own. But the white, oh my gosh, just makes it pop. So all of these are going to get one coat. Look at that pink. And then we'll cure them. And then we'll do the little design. So this is just something quick, easy. I thought it was sweet. The color combo she came up with is her granddaughter's favorite colors. So she is all set for her visit. One more and then cure 60 seconds in an LED. That's how I do it. Okay, so I'm going to pop these in, cure them for 60 seconds, and then come back and do the little design. All right, so these are cured. I am going to be using, this is Nail Couture's Fun Gel, and I'm going to be using this on just the accent fingers. So I'm just going to put a thin layer on. And I'm not going to cure it just yet. Okay. This would be fun with like any two colors that you pick. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put these back on the stand just to make things a little bit easier. And this is Born Pretties. This is not the right one. Hold on. Did I grab the wrong one? Actually, this might not be so bad. So this isn't a jelly color, but this is the purple I use. This is CG041. Okay. It's just easier for me to get it off the palette than out of the bottle. And I'm just going to use a dotting tool. So the Fun Gel, it's just blooming gel. You can use base gel if you don't have this. And then it's totally up to you how long you let it bloom. So the longer it's on without being cured, the more it's going to bloom. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, this one's doing really, really good. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the lamp. I'm just going to hit it for 10 seconds. Just like a flash cure, quick cure, whatever you want to call it. And I don't have enough on the palette. Okay, so I'm going to get this one done. Go ahead and put it in the lamp. Okay, and we'll just cure these together. I'm going to let that kind of flow a little bit more. Look at that. I love those colors together. Okay, so I'm just going to move this one over just a smidge. Okay. And then I'm going to cure those for 60 seconds. All right, and then I'm going to top coat these. I'm going to use Nail Couture's. This is a shiny no wipe top coat. This is one of my absolute favorite top coats. I think these would be pretty with a matte top coat as well. But today we'll do shiny. Usually I cannot decide which one I want to do, but okay. I'm running low on this bottle. I have to open another one. I milk these things like nobody's business. I want to make sure everything gets used up. Ooh. Okay, so I'm going to finish top coating these. Then I'm going to put them in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to stick them on my practice hand, Jessica. Look at that colors, I guess. That is so funny. I thought the purple was a jelly. It is not. And that is okay. Okay, so I just left the other ones just plain. But oh my goodness, there's so many different things that can be done with them. So these are going in the lamp, 60 seconds. Okay, and then I'm going to put those on Jessica and show you what they look like on. All right, and there they are. These are all cured, and I'm loving that color. That white just really makes that pink pop. So that is just real fast design. Fun to do. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will be back again shortly with another one. Cheers.